Sunrise at Haleakala, one of the most breathtaking experiences on the face of the earth. Mark Twain wrote of this experience more than 100 years ago.
With the first pallor of dawn, we arose and saw things that were new to us. Mounted on a commanding pinnacle, we watched nature work her silent wonders. I felt as if I were the last man on earth, neglected of the judgment and left pinnacled in mid-heaven, a forgotten relic of a vanished world.
Here on the slopes of Haleakala, the awesome and silent beauty of nature overwhelmed the senses and the spirit. For indeed, here you almost feel in touch with eternity, so isolated, so ruggedly beautiful, so desolate, and yet so alive. Indeed, it's that very isolation that has brought about some of the most unusual life forms in the world. A unique biology that's distinctly Hawaiian. The most famous biological resident of the park is the rare silver sword, or a hina-hina. Its silvery leaves reflect the burning sunlight while gathering in what little moisture the harsh surroundings may offer. With a lifespan of 30 years, the silver sword blooms only once, then surrenders herself to the mountain from which she came. Once on the verge of extinction, the nene, Hawaii's state bird, may also be seen on the slopes of Haleakala from time to time. Another thing to guard for before you journey up these lava slopes is the cold. In the wintertime, the temperature can dip below freezing, and even on the best days, if you're not dressed properly, you could find your teeth chattering. It's also not uncommon to be rained upon, then baked in the sun, then rained on again, all in a matter of just a few hours. So be sure to dress accordingly. Sunrise at Haleakala is indeed an unforgettable event, but not without some hardship. So before you start out, call this number to make sure the weather will be clear and find out what time the sun rises. And if you're staying in the Lahaina Ka'anapali area, plan on a 2 to 3 hour drive to get to the summit. And that means getting up real early. From Lahaina, take Highway 30 to 380, then right on Highway 36. This is the Hana Highway. Then another right on 37 and on up until you get to 377, then just follow the signs to the summit. From the Wailea Kihei area, take the Pi'ilani Highway 31 to 350, then on to 37 and 377. Your travel time to the summit should be about 2 hours. From the snow-capped peaks beckoning from the Big Island to the arid moonscape below, there's a lot to see and explore on Haleakala. For the more athletic, permits are available at park headquarters daily for hiking and camping within the crater. There are more than 30 miles of trails, plus a multitude of volcanic bombs, cinder cones, and lava tubes to explore. One word of caution for you would-be sportsmen. At 10,000 feet, the air is very thin, so take your time. Don't overexert yourself. This is especially true for those with high blood pressure or heart conditions. Haleakala, the house of the sun, the landscape of the moon, and the home of the gods. About as close to heaven as most of us will ever be. In this lifetime, anyway.